Hello guys and welcome to another review video. So today I will do a review about StockStiger, what is StockStiger and how we can benefit from it. But first, let me show you some bonuses you will get if you decide to purchase StockStiger using my link. So this is the bonuses you will get if you decide to use my link below. And if you see me for the first time, welcome to my channel. In this channel I share tips and tricks about affiliate marketing and branch in the match. I am sure these tips and tricks will help you a lot in your business, so I will much appreciate it if you smash that red button and give the video a like. So basically the website is simple. The website gives you more than 1 million free royalty free HD stock photos. You can use these photos on your business. Here in the sales page, Breakthrough Cloud Image app gets you access to over 1 million fresh never seen before royalty free HD photos. Use unlimited images for your ads, blogs, websites, videos, and watch your conversion skyrocket. Include these commercial lessons to use on your client projects. So for the searchable 100% royalty free photos, skyrocket your conversion. Use them in your videos, websites, ads, and more. Pay once, use for life, one-click downloads, unlimited and unstructured usage, and finally commercial lessons. So how StockStiger work? It's just 3 simple steps. Step 1, search for any keyword in the app. Step 2, choose from countless HD free images. All images are 100% royalty free. And the step 3 is click download. You can use these photos for your social media, use it on your websites, use it for your ad campaigns, and perfect for videos. Save thousands of dollars on stock photo sites. When you have your subscription, the website look like this. You can search for any photo you want by typing your keyword in the search bar. After, you can download that photo. For the price is $22 one-time pay with no monthly fees. But this is just a temporary discount and the price may be up to $49 in the next days. And of course you will get the commercial lessons bonus when you have your subscription. And for my opinion, you can find websites like StockStiger for free like Pixabay and Pexels. But if you want some new photos for your business like print on demand or your social media content, you can use StockStiger for just $22 one-time pay. And of course I will much appreciate it if you use my link in the description below, and you will have 30 days your money guarantee if you don't like the website. This is it guys. If you like this review, don't forget to give the video a like, and also you can ask me anything in the description below, and see you in the next video.